Allie from Allie's Crafts here, and I wanted to walk you through some of the goodies that are in the 7-Day Prayer Challenge digital kit. This is available separately. You can get the whole bundle of everything that coordinates with the 7-Day Prayer Challenge for $12, which is a super steal because I think everything together probably comes, I think $28 is what it all costs. So I'm going to walk through what I have printed out from that. And if you haven't heard about the 7-Day Prayer Challenge, I really encourage you to go to the link below that says sign up for the 7-Day Prayer Challenge because it's totally free and I'm super excited about it. And you will get free printables along with the 7-Day Prayer Challenge, along with all of the prompts and everything. And these are available separately just to help you creatively. You can do the prayer challenge absolutely totally free. These are just to help you a little bit more creatively and just really make it more fun, because who doesn't like new goodies, right? So the first thing included are the pocket prayers in the coordinating colors, and so I just love these, the soft pinks and the soft teals. I'm really obsessed with pink and teal together right now. The other thing are the full-size Library of God cards. Super fun. Then there's also the full-size prayer request cards, so the longer ones. And so you can kind of see the difference. So all the same colors are included, but these are about half the size. And then the labels, I'm super excited about these because look, this label has a background of crosses. So much fun. I love the large labels and the small labels. And then another really fun thing are the alphas, so numbers and letters. For this one, I just printed out the numbers because I want to mark every day with a different, obviously a different number of the challenge. And I wanted to mix it up a little bit. And then for the book that I'm doing of all of my digitals, I'm going to be using the coordinating alphas from By the Well for God. So Lori at By the Well did a great job of making her alphas, and so I'm really excited to use these. Now in the bundle there are some of my small alphas, as long as the alphas that look like this. So I super encourage you to use what you have. You don't have to buy new, but if you wanted alphas that you didn't have to cut out, By the Well has perfect coordinating ones, and I love them. Now, as you've probably guessed, like I usually do, I'm going to be making a flip ring or flip book out of this with a binder ring. And I took one of the coordinating papers, which you get for free in your email if you sign up for the 7-Day Prayer Challenge. And I'm super excited. Just this print is just beautiful, and you've probably seen me use it other places. This one coordinates with the washi if you got the physical kit. So this is going to be my cover, and then I'm also going to put the sticker that you get if you get the physical challenge or the physical kit. And then I'm also, if you would like one of these, drop me a comment and I will get back to you on, I think I might be putting these in the shop all by themselves. So I'm going to be trimming this down so that it, covers just this size. And then I'm going to be making the book that I can put these prayer request cards in just to keep like writing down my prayers throughout the challenge. And then I'll add some of the free printables that come with the challenge to the flip ring as well. So I'm hoping it's gonna be a nice thick ring by the time I'm done with this, and you want to come along and share it with me. So I cut a bunch of stuff out of the digital kit. So the large prayer request cards, the pocket prayers, some of those large labels, and then I also cut out just some covers from some of the papers that I include in some of the freebies. And you'll get these from your email. So these are, the papers come separately from the digital kit. But I cut out 2 pieces of the cover, like these are all out of cardstock. I love printing on 110-pound cardstock, and so I made these a little bit bigger than the large prayer request cards, and so these are going to serve as my front and my back. So to make a ring book, I usually like to use hole punches. So you can just get these. I picked these up for like $1 at my grocery store, so they everywhere has them. But if you want something a little bit bigger, I love the crocodile, and so I can do large holes and small holes. So this is my big baby. And this is quite expensive. It's about 20 bucks, but I use this all the time. So you don't need this, but I love it. I use it for all sorts of projects. Really, all you need to make a flip book is one of these. So what I like to do is punch a hole like right here after I line everything up, and then so I like to line everything up, and then I just like to make it really like random as how I layer things. So I like to put the pocket prayers with the prayer requests, and then have maybe even like I might use some of these labels as kind of just another thing to flip. I like to make them very visually interesting with lots of layers. What I might also do with the labels is kind of put one down here just for a little bit of decoration. I might use a label on the cover, but what I'm definitely going to do on the cover is use one of these stickers that came with the physical kit. I might also, I printed out some of the art starts that coordinate with this challenge, and I printed this on clear sticker paper from Avery, and so that might go on the cover as well. But the other thing I might do with the clear stickers is to put them on the backs of the covers, the backs of the prayer request cards, just again things to add visual interest.